Hi guys, this is me Anugya and welcome back to my kids friendly recipe series. Today what we are going to make is something with a very popular berry called blueberry. Blueberries, as you all know, is very low in calories but high in fiber, vitamin C and vitamin K. And a very interesting way to consume blueberry is in the form of blueberry smoothie. So let's get started. For blueberry smoothie, we need these ingredients: vanilla essence, frozen blueberries, sugar, milk, yogurt. This is mixed berry yogurt, but any natural curd is fine. Lastly, the crushed ice. We'll go from medium to high speed. This is how it looks like. So it's health plus taste together. I love the color. Put a straw. Voila! You're good to go. It's delicious. I'll see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back again soon with more kid-friendly recipes. See you!